Okay, let's check MTV. MTV, where are you? So daily outlook first, or even weekly, you can see. Yeah, look. Wow.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, this is some sort of a support here that it broke below. Oof, it could go lower. There isn't
Yeah, down
much.
to yeah.
It could go down to that purple line. There isn't much really holding it, unless there's like a little deviation and comes back up. Well, let's pull up EMAs. See, I'm expecting a lot of I'll be below all of them. So there isn't really a lot of strength here. Let me check as well, just that alpha trend, because I like it for like showing strength. This is a daily chart, right? That candle, the turquoise R, is indicating a reversal, but it isn't confirmed until we have another candle printed below, beside it that closes higher than that reversal point. So right now, yeah, it is. Let's check.
It looks like it's got really strong support down on that purple line as well.
That would definitely be a spot for putting like cheeky bids, definitely.
Yeah.
You know, it does look, there is just that gap here. This support here is lost. Did you see it?
Yeah, it's not really got anywhere else to come down to, has it? That's
unless it, like I said, deviates and just goes back up. But this would mean Bitcoin just stalls right now, goes sideways, and we are looking at the dominance dropping again and money flowing into alts. Maybe then it will regain that support here at this level. So bids to buy here, and I just wanted to go down to the 4 hour or 1 hour maybe again, because I like to see the quicker moves as well, how we are looking on that with the trading alpha as well. Again, see, okay, I know you see a lot of those B's and R's there, bottoms and reversals. If they're happening in around support, that would be for me like an indication, yeah, I should possibly start buying right now on a lower time frame, because it's like this accumulation point, and like shortly that reversal will come and I will be, you know, it's a good spot to buy. But because we've lost that support, just want to show you here, hold on a second, it's just funny the way it's. So that reversal, that candle didn't close higher, but this did. That one is doing something. So there is a chance now. It all really depends on Bitcoin.
Yeah, if you're entering, dominance is so high still.
Yeah, if you're entering this right now, I would get small, hoping for a small bounce and get out as soon as you get the profit, and hope like just put lower bids then with the profits or with remaining of your bag of your capital to buy more lower at around that. That was 328, somewhere around 3-4 you can start putting your bids maybe.
Yeah, thanks.
No worries. Anybody else? What's next, guys?
You're right, Wonder Woman.
Oh, hello, welcome. Are you back from your holidays?
Say again?
Are you back from your holidays?
Physically, yes, and mentally, no.
Oh, I can imagine. I would love to be on holidays myself now.
Oh, yeah, I know. But I was wondering if we could take a look at Luna, if that's okay, my love.
Of course. It wouldn't be a stream without Luna. Okay. So, this is the finance chart. I have two of them. Okay, one is cleaner than the other, so let's just check. I'll go back to the one we've done, and then maybe we can have a look at this chart if we see something different.
Okay.
Because these were all like marked previous. I'm gonna get rid of this now as well. So it had this trend line that it drew the last time, but that's obviously gone, so we don't need this anymore. Like if we want to can draw another one, like it's coming down to that support again, I think, to 78. Like looking at everything right now, I am anticipating that drop, another drop. Like looking at this daily, if we break this down to like a smaller time frame, you can see like it would be that M formation. We dropped, we had that one drop with rise, and this is our second drop. I mean, looking at
the $70 mark then by looking at that chart.
Yeah, it's quite possible now. It would again look, it was a support here, the 78, but looking at Bitcoin right now, everything is I know we always say it, that it's all Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, but that's exactly when you enter your trades. If Bitcoin makes a move, you make a move then based on that. Like if it gives you a trigger, that's your trigger.
Yeah.
It is, unfortunately, as much as we we may hate it, Bitcoin rules the market. It's everything we need to look at. If what I'd always say is look at that level to level, and if you see this level breaking down, you're looking at a lower level below it. Like this was support here, that's 78. The one below it is in around 70 mark. How strong it is, it would depend on everything. Because, okay, that's our EMAs on the daily. The next support of the EMA is quite low, it's 68. Could push up to that 70. Because it is a daily chart, so if it doesn't curve down and doesn't start bringing it lower, which could kind of be like the mid-range here, you could see the 62. That's another level. I'm gonna actually draw that line here on the daily. That could be like, you know, that our point mid-range here. I'm just going to make this a little bit different so we understand that this is a midpoint here for us. 78, 70, 62 would be 3 levels I'd be looking at. Bottom 52, that was a very nice accumulation point, but that I don't know, I'm not going that far ahead, guys. Yeah, like I was looking yesterday how Bitcoin, I wasn't expecting that drop to be so swift and so low.
Do you think that was because of the news from the Fed regarding that they expect the inflation figures to be quite poor?
Yeah, I saw that they're talking about double digits, yeah, and that, I mean, it's funny how market reacts to that stuff. It's like you sell at the wrong moment. Like
it's almost like it's planned.
Yeah.
Oh, we can't be saying that on a live stream.
How dare we?
Yeah, it's like it's total manipulation, guys. I always say it, but whatever.
I'm just hoping this was a preemptive sell-off, and like there's not a sell-off to come.
Like we have your man, the Luna fella, apparently loading his bags. There's Michael Saylor buying. Like I was actually like not really aware and tuned in to those tweets, but recently, is it Dequan? Is that his name? And he was like, feeling cute, might go shopping. I was like, okay, how much did you buy this time? And why are we not going up, you know? So with their massive buys, you would think like, okay, you're already long like billions. Why is the market so bad? So who's selling? Who has the majority here right now? And there is certainly a level to manipulation here and a level of, I don't know. I'm sorry I missed this. What you mentioned about Tom and that model, but I think in general, market is such a big psychology play, and it's a mind game for everybody. I keep saying it. I know it could sound, like a broken record or like a cliche, but I cannot wait because I have Stu coming to me next week and I'm doing a Zoom call with him. I'm going to record it and we're going to talk about mental health and psychology of trading. And I think it is such an important topic to talk about and understand how you're in control, and the market will always do whatever it wants to do, but there are always like people who are in control of the market want you to feel that way. They and when you understand that they're trying to control your emotions and how you perceive the market and how you react to it, and you're going to react exactly how they want you to react. So it's fascinating, and it's something that every trader should really tune into and think about when they're going trading, especially active traders, day traders, or swing traders. If you're investing and you don't care, you're like, you have your day job, you're putting in, I don't know, 5% of your wages, 10% of your wages every week, 10% of your monthly wages, whatever. You invest because you think, whatever, I'll look at it in 10 years time, totally different. Like Michael Saylor, he said he doesn't care. He doesn't care because in whatever year's time, he is not trying to time the bottom. He is just buying when he has the opportunity to buy, and he doesn't care.
Yeah, he's what you'd call an investor, not a trader.
That's it. That's what I mean. There's totally two different psychologies to that then. But if you are an active trader and if you're coming into the market with trying to turn your investment quicker than years time, in intraday swings, it's a different psychology altogether. So like just back to that whole thing about how the market is, it's all planned, or I don't know.
Yeah, just the type of manipulation that we see has turned me from a trader into a hodler, because I just can't be bothered anymore. So I just hodl now.
Well, Marty, yeah, it's like the same for me. Like the only time I look at a chart nowadays is when I'm watching your streams.
Yeah, I just buy and hold now. It's not worth the stress.
Yeah, I mean, it's worth really taking a break, walking away, forgetting the charts, and like zooming out.